Okay, so this is the original piece off the bed extension, and I found this piece here, a bit dirty, but it's upcycled. So as you can see, it's exactly the same width. Now I just need to cut it across here. Now I think this, the original piece, was a bit long, so I'm going to take a couple of mil off it, say 1/2 centimetre. Right, I didn't want to saw inside, but I'm going to have to. I need to get it done today. Oh dear. Anyway, that's it cut. So it's just a case of screw the hinges on and go and see if it fits. Then I can cover it and fit it. Okay, I've fitted the hinges on my bed extension. So you press them like that. You can do it with one hand. Locks in place. Right, I'm going to measure them up in my car. See if it fits. Right, it fits. Only got 2 screws in, but if you can see, doing it one-handed. I'm back indoors. I'm going to put the foam layers on and cover it with the fabric. Where's the dog? What are you doing? The foam mat for wood. Put the material down now. The material upside down. Foam goes in the middle of it. Then the foam mat. Then the wood. Got the stapler, so I'm going to staple it on now. I'll show you the end results. I stapled it along the edge rather than going all the way underneath. Don't know whether that's a good idea. We'll see. Right, I'm going to fit it now. Hope it's okay. Okay, fitted. Pushes this drinks tray up a bit, but I'm not too bothered. There's a bit of a gap here to the other side. I use just a piece of black wood. Bit difficult with one hand. Okay, here's the mattress that goes over the portaloo. So this doesn't fit anymore. Let's spin it over. Right, it needs 1/2 centimetre shaving off this end, and it also needs 1/2 centimetre shaving off this side. got to get all the staples out, take the material off and my foam, and I'm going to saw it by hand, I think. Can I do it the cheats way and just take half the material off? Took the foam out on that. I think I can. Let's see. Cutting it, but it's making a mess. Just backed up before as well from the other lot. Oh well. Okay, that's 2 pieces cut off. Still left half the material on. Slip the foam back in. I'll show you me stapling it on. Stop it! Orion, hey! Stop it! Hey! Stop it! No! Hey! No! Leave it! Leave it! Leave it! Hey! Hey! Orion, stop it! He's so naughty. Stop it! No! Every time I back up, the idea of leaving the material on didn't work. Quickly unstapled it. Watch out here. Got the wood, piece of foam, a piece of memory foam doubled, but under this foam here is camping mat as well. So there's 4 layers of foam. Okay, let's do it. Okay, not my best job. I don't know whether I've folded this too thick here, or I might be redoing my edges. We'll see. Here it is. Let's see if it fits. It fits, but put these on here. It doesn't sit in very. It's not a tight fit, so it's quite loose now. But does the job. Okay, so I'll switch cameras for a better view. Just a case of this piece here. Fit that in with brackets. There's the bed extension. This gap needs filling.